Sit here, sir.
Wait. There. It's up. Yes. So you want to
Yes.
present first, or how do you
Yeah.
want to go about it? Sige, sige.
You can give me your comments first, sir, if you have any.
Um, no, mauna ka while I look at your work, so that it's basically the one that you presented before. No, there's not much change that
Yes,
I
sir, but
see.
I took your advice in because here in my guest room and masters, I had like a space here, like a hallway for a ramp that goes down to the basement. But
Yes.
I took your advice and I removed it so that my masters can be bigger as well as my living. And then
Yes.
I decided to move that ramp over here
Mm,
on the east side, next to the dining, and it goes underneath, like your first suggestion also, sir.
yes. So your ramp would now be accessible only from the lowest floor where you have your stair, where your stair ends.
Yes, sir.
The,
That's the ramp going to the beach, but
to
then
the
I
beach.
also have one from the first floor to the basement, and it's the one here that's access from the dining area.
Ah, yeah. So, okay. So does will it follow the uh no, because this one, the site development is not in the one you submitted. That's why I did not see this. But my question now is, how will this ramp look like in the lower floor? Can you do, can you show your
I'm
lower
not
floor?
sure if I have like a perspective for like that area specifically, but I don't know.
But
It can
my
be like
concern is whether you are able to achieve the required gradient with that length of ramp. Because if you
uh
are able to, so no, there's no problem.
yeah, I think it can remain, sir.
Yeah. So the next problem would be, what protection are you giving it? Since it's outside, so how do you deal with the rain, for example, or the sun? Are you going to cover it?
Okay. Because like initially now still like I just decided to put like just open rigid.
Hmm. Oh yeah, but you also have a lift, diba? So
Wala, sir.
it's okay. So I was actually looking at, wait. Okay. So I was looking at the the work of Go, not Go. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Um, no problem. So here you don't have a lift, so I think you need to, at least for this ramp, it has to be covered. The other ramp that goes to the beach can be open because it's not
okay.
really needed. But this one is like, uh, it might be needed because it's part of your daily routine to go up and down the two floors to eat, and then to go to the master's bedroom. Okay,
Okay.
to downstairs. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, but then your master's bedroom is already in the ground floor. So
Yeah.
hmm.
It's like my master's is the same floor as the kitchen, dining, the living, and the terrace.
Okay, so I guess I guess there's no need to cover it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, no need, because I was looking at a different plan earlier where the masters is underneath, so I was wrong. The thing is, there's just too many ramps, no,
Yeah.
in the elevation. Hmm. Then there's no other way of going down the slopes unless through
I
the
was also
ramps.
concerned, like I was also thinking to add like um a stair access that's also like from the east side, like
Hmm.
down to the beach, but I wasn't sure if that was still needed since I already had the ramp. Like,
Yeah,
would I still
actually,
need it, sir?
um, you might because the ramp takes so long to
Yeah.
you have it's also very winding, so some people might prefer to use the stairs, especially if they're actually able.
Okay, sir.
Um, I'm just thinking of uh, instead of the ramps on stilts, I wonder if it looks better if the ramps are on fill. So
Mm,
so you'll get like it's like your landscape is like terraced but ramped.
the one
The,
here, sir, on
the
the
one facing the beach front.
oh, the one going to the beach.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So because
Okay.
otherwise there's really a lot. Although you did not show it, but it's there's so there should be stilts on it, no, to
Yeah,
support
yeah,
the ramp.
yeah. I think
And
that
then
one part I left out also.
once you put those stilts in, that's a lot of stilts, and then that's a little disturbing actually in terms of design. Um, so it might be better if this were made of like riprap because your ramp is actually on fill. Do you
Okay.
get me? So it's like a rice terraces but ramped.
Okay. Wait, sir, do you mean that like I don't apply like the stilts thing on the actual build on the actual house itself anymore, and I just fill that entire area?
Yeah, I also suggest that for the house
Okay.
that it should be on fill instead of on stilts.
Okay, sir.
So that should sort of help design wise. So the tricky part is the stairs where you're going to put the stairs. So
Mhm.
if you're going to do that, but you'll be doing a lot of fill, no?
Yeah.
Cut and fill. So
Like at this point, sir, like I think if I were to fill the entirety of like where the stilts are underneath the house, it would be like a lot more fill than cut at this point. Is that okay, Basir?
yeah, well, it's called for by the design, so you have no choice but to provide it.
Okay.
So it's not the best, but it's also good.
Okay.
So and it's better than the other one now, which is on stilts.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it actually looks more stable that way than on stilt.
Yeah. Okay. And how about my kwan, sir? Like in my um
Okay,
schematic
so I don't.
perspective. Hello, sir.
What
Uh,
what about your
I was just gonna
schematics?
say, sir, but in term when I showed my schematics, you said that my roof should be it should be like really sloped, and then there's no as like a large overhang. Like I want to know lang, sir, if my roof design now is more acceptable.
Um, yes, I'm looking at your perspective. Uh, wait. Yes, this is better compared to what you showed in the schematics.
Okay, sir.
Um, yep. So this is two sheds.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have no problem with your uh, interior. I think the one who would comment more on this is your AI class.
Okay, sir.
So, and also the ceiling plan is actually more related to the interior. So I have no problem with it so far, as long as you finished. Well, there's no except for the ramps.
Yeah.
That's the only comment I have.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so very good. Congratulations. Please proceed to the final.
Sige, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Kuhan lang, no? The section, your section,
Oh, yes, sir.
um, you have a section that where the ramp is cut, your
Yeah,
section through stairs,
because I made
but
it extend.
then yes, I guess because this is automatic, no? When you cut the computer model, so it cuts like this, like it's a kind of weird way.
Yeah,
Uh, um, in principle, this is not well. If you put the fill in, so that would make it maybe less weird to look
mhm,
at, no?
yeah.
Because right now it's not easily understood by layman if they look at your drawing. So that's the only problem I have here.
Okay, sir.
So I would draw the whole uh, ramp, even if the building is sectioned, just to make sure that the people can easily understand what they're seeing.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's only yeah that's the only problem. Okay, very good.
Sir, can I have one more question? So
Yes,
just a small question. It's
sure,
regarding
sure.
the finals, sir. The one of the requirements is a 3D na walkthrough video. Um, how how
Yes.
how like rendered would you require it, sir? Like, is it really rendered, or it can be just like realistic?
Not necessarily, as long as it could be just a SketchUp model where you walk through.
Mhm.
Um, doesn't have to be realistic.
Okay, sir.
Doesn't have to be like that. So, especially that it's going to be very heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sige. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Joan, I think you should be next. Sorry, Rona. Si Joan Mano, because she actually sent me an email very early.
It was okay, sir.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
I'll present my screen.
Yes, please. I'll also look for your. 'Cause I downloaded all of